Hello guys, this is Diamond from Diamond Shine Soap. Guys, I'm excited to see you today. Today we are going to sit down and we are going to do a gel lip scrub. This gel lip scrub is so amazing, guys. It feels so good. It's actually going to smell good because we're going to use some flavor oil, and it's going to taste good because of the sugar and the flavor oil. It kind of tricks your mind into thinking I am eating a red delicious apple, which is the flavor that I'm going to be using. Anyway, guys, before we get into the video, I have no idea of why you have not joined our Patreon yet. The Patreon is full of so many candle making recipes, skincare recipes. It's packed full of knowledge. It's packed full of wisdom. If you want to become a business owner and you feel like right now is your time, listen, you need to join the Patreon. The Patreon has recipes that you will launch your candle business in little to 2 weeks. I'm so serious. If you follow exactly what I tell you to do, you will literally be launching in 2 weeks. All right. So listen, before I get carried away into that, I want to let you know I'm happy that you came to see this video. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you do not miss the upcoming videos and the soap things that we're going to be doing on this lovely channel. All right. So let's talk about what we're going to be doing today. So this gel-based lip scrub is going to be so easy to make, guys. You only need a few ingredients. I'm about to take you over to the studio. I'm going to show you guys the ingredients. You can go ahead and order your ingredients now and get started with your lip scrub and just, you know, have a good time. Have a good time, have a good time, have a good time. Let's get right into it. Okay, guys, so for your list of ingredients, you're going to need this Cerebellina wax, and you cannot omit it. And I know people are going to ask me, could you substitute it? This is the only way that you will achieve this beautiful texture, guys. So I would just keep the recipe the same. You're going to need some sugar, some jojoba oil, and also you're going to use some coconut oil. But this is the liquid one, not, you know, the other one, the thick one. All right. And the last thing you're going to need is, well, actually not the last, but you're going to need some flavor oil. And it's just kind of trick your mind into thinking, I'm tasting this. All right. This is the color that I'm using. It is so beautiful, guys. It's going to come out so beautiful. You're going to see. I'm going to do my best to try to figure out where I got this color from because I got a whole bag of like lip pigments. I'll try, but I don't mean I'm gonna be successful. All right, so let's go ahead and start mixing everything into this heat safe container. All right, so we're gonna start out by just adding our Cerebellina, and the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add our coconut oil. All right, so these are the only two oils, and this is actually the just the heat phase. So we got our jojoba oil, coconut oil, Cerebellina, and you want to take that and you want to go ahead and just heat that up, put it in the microwave, double boil, however you want to do it, and then we're going to let that cool down. Okay, so now that I have this melted, I'm going to wait for it to cool down just a little bit. And then once it cooled down, we're going to add our flavor oil to it. And also we're going to add our sugar to it. But now we're going to add our pigment. Now you're going to add your flavor oil. All right, so now that you have added your flavor oil, you are going to next add your sugar. Now, you're going to do a whole lot of stirring once you add this sugar, and you're probably going to increase your color just a little bit because you'll notice that once you put your sugar in there, it's going to lighten up, which is fine. So just go ahead and mix it all in, and then when you finish, you will notice you have this beautiful texture. And guys, I get so excited about textures, just don't mind me. Would you look at here, that texture? Now, ain't that nice? Ain't that nice? This texture came out so beautiful, and as you allow it to sit, it does change just a little bit. It don't thicken up to the point where it's like really, really thick, but it gets even more prettier. That is my promise to you. Okay. Now, guys, if you love this video, go ahead and make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you want the recipe, you better go on in that description box and get it. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you again. And I'm just going to let you guys see this texture in action. I'm going to play with it a little bit. I mean, listen, this is for the people who love to see the texture. Oh, that thing looks so nice. Oh! I'm loving it. I'm loving it.